this video, I'll walk you through our Tasks to Do feature. If you actively use tasks, there is a main To Do tab at the top of the Times of application for you to get a quick access to creating and editing tasks. TimeServe allows its users to create tasks for themselves or for others without the need to have a matter plan in place. But if you do wish to create a proper matter plan with phases for your tasks, you can do that under Clients and Matters. Click on the matter name and under the Matter Plan tab. Users can also create tasks directly under each matter. These will auto-populate the matter and client details on the tasks, and the benefit of using the To Do main tab is that you can view a full list of your tasks to do across a variety of different matters. So we're going to take a look at the main To Do screen, which is here, Plan Tasks to Do. From under here we can see that our tasks are listed, and we can also create a new plan task to do. So if we click on this button, we have this form populate so that we can create a new task. If the user doesn't have access to all clients under their permissions, they won't be able to create a new task to do. Secondly, by default, the new task will be assigned to the user creating the task. If you need to assign the task to a different user, then you need to select that user's name from the Professionals field against the search bar. So for example, if I click on Lily Perkins and then I go ahead and click on the New Plan Task to Do button, that's when I'll be creating this new task for Lily Perkins.